Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download YouTube Studio app and manage comments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are on an Android device. In the search bar, type YouTube Studio and press enter. Locate the YouTube Studio app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its details page. For iPhone users, tap the Get button. For Android users, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the YouTube Studio app icon on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. Sign in using the YouTube account associated with your channel. After signing in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. To manage comments, tap on the Comments section in the menu. Here, you will see a list of comments on your videos. You can respond to comments directly by tapping on the reply icon next to each comment. To moderate comments, swipe left on any comment to reveal options. You can choose to delete, report, or hide the comment by selecting the corresponding option. If you want to filter comments, use the filter options available at the top of the comments section. This allows you to view comments based on various criteria, such as held for review or likely spam. To enable comment moderation settings, go to the Settings section from the main menu. Select Community to adjust your comment preferences. You can set restrictions, enable comment approval, or block certain users. Once you have configured your settings, return to the Comments section to continue managing comments effectively. Explore additional features of the YouTube Studio app to enhance your channel management experience. Now you are equipped to download the YouTube Studio app and manage comments like a pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.